How to reset Gmail account password. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After opening up, you have to click on the search bar and search for gmail.com. If you have added Gmail to shortcut, then you can also open Gmail from over here. After that, you'll be opened up in this interface. So in this text box, you need to enter your Gmail account which you want to recover the password. After that, you have to go for next. After that, in this password section, you have to simply go for forget password option. So in your mobile phone, a verification mail will be sent. You have to simply go to your mobile and you have to tap on yes it's me option. And by doing that, you will be able to see the update password option. You have to simply click on update password and you have to create your password over here. After entering the confirm password, you have to go for save password option and it will be popped up. So it is said that you'll stay signed in on this device after changing your password, and the device lists are over here. If you change your password, then also you'll be signed in this device. If you don't want this, then you can simply cancel. And a security checkup will be over here, so you have to simply go for continue to email, and after that you will be logged into your Gmail account, and by following this simple step you can reset Gmail account password. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.